Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. So today we are going to cover GEOM density ridges with GGPlot. The purpose of this plot is to present some kind of numerical values over categories. And in order to use GEOM density ridges, you need additional package, this GG ridges. So if you don't have this package installed, please do so. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to create one data frame with a bunch of random values. X is going to be generated with function rnorm, so I want 1000 values. Mean value is going to be 500. Standard deviation it's also going to be 500. Let's say category, it's going to be provided with function sample, and we're going to take names of okay, I want 25 castings and replace true. In order to randomize our values as much as possible, let's print this to the screen so we could see. Yeah, I believe it's quite random. And now let's create our density plot. I'm going to provide data to our GGPlot function, and now GEOM density ridges, and with aesthetics we're going to say x equals x, y factor of categories, and fill also with factor of categories. Save it, run it. Okay, now let's add one more interesting setting. Alpha to 0,75, run it. So now we have alpha effect, and let's remove this legend with theme. Legend position to none, save it, run it. And now I'm going to mention one more interesting way to use this function with another option, and that is stat bin line, and add bins, let's say 50, run it. So if you like to present your data in this way, the only thing that you have to do is to use these two options. So bin line for stat, and with bins you're going to provide a number of bins per category. And I'm going to use some smaller number, let's say 25 now, run it again. And yeah, this looks much better. So guys, I hope that you have learned something interesting in this tutorial, so please like, subscribe, and see ya!